Clinical studies confirm it. Controlled breathing boosts nitric oxide, pelvic squeezes trapped blood, and together they create a firmer, lasting erection. In this video, I'll show you how to combine them into one discreet trick. A simple move you can do right before sex that works every single time. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'll walk you through it step by step. Every man has faced that sinking feeling when his body doesn't cooperate in the moment. You're with your partner. The mood is perfect, yet your erection fades just when you need it most. It feels like betrayal. Your mind is ready, but your body won't follow. Many men think their only option is a pill, a pump, or sheer luck. The truth is, your body already has a built-in reset mechanism. The root of this issue lies in how your nervous system and blood vessels react under pressure. When stress or anxiety hits, your brain sends signals that constrict blood flow, pulling it away from your pelvis and into survival mode. That's why your erection disappears so quickly, even if you felt fine just seconds earlier. The key is not to fight your body, but to redirect it back into the state where erections thrive. This is where nitric oxide enters the picture. It's a naturally produced gas in your body that acts as a chemical messenger. When nitric oxide levels rise, your blood vessels relax and expand, allowing blood to rush in more freely. Without enough nitric oxide, even the best stimulation won't create the firmness you want. The fascinating part is that your body releases more nitric oxide when you slow your breathing through your nose. Breathing is the simplest yet most overlooked tool for erections. Quick, shallow chest breathing keeps you tense and stressed, while deep, slow nasal breathing signals calmness and enhances nitric oxide. Think of it like flipping a switch. With every deliberate inhale, you're fueling your blood vessels with a very compound that keeps them open and responsive. And when combined with the right muscle engagement, the results can be dramatic. Those muscles are your pelvic floor, the hidden foundation of sexual performance. Most men don't even realize they exist until they start weakening with age. These are the same muscles you activate when you stop urinating midstream. When strong and engaged correctly, they act like a powerful clamp, holding blood inside the penis and keeping it trapped long enough to maintain a firm erection. Weak pelvic muscles, on the other hand, let blood escape too quickly, leading to frustration. Here's where the trick comes together. By combining deep nasal breathing with pelvic floor squeezes, you create a double effect. More blood flowing in and stronger control over keeping it there. It's simple, discreet, and can be done without anyone knowing. This is not a routine you practice for weeks before seeing results. It's a 1-minute reset you can use right before sex to rescue an erection instantly. Here's how to do it. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4 and feel your belly expand as the air fills your lungs. As you exhale, gently contract your pelvic floor. Imagine pulling upward, as if you were stopping the flow of urine or tightening from the base. Hold that squeeze for about 2 seconds. Then fully release. Repeat this 4 or 5 times in a steady rhythm. By the final cycle, most men feel a surge of firmness return. Why does this work so quickly? Because it tackles both sides of the equation: blood flow and nervous system control. Stress triggers your fight or flight mode, which is terrible for erections, because your body diverts blood away from the genitals. Slow nasal breathing flips you back into the parasympathetic rest and restore mode. Meanwhile, the squeeze physically signals your body to trap and hold blood in the penis. Together, they hack your biology in real time. Let's talk evidence, because this isn't just theory. Clinical studies have shown that men practicing breathing exercises experience measurable boosts in nitric oxide and improved vascular relaxation. Separate studies on pelvic floor training revealed that 40% of men with erectile dysfunction regained full function, and another 35% reported significant improvement. When these methods were combined, outcomes were even stronger. These aren't gimmicks. They're science-backed results published in medical journals. One reason this technique feels empowering is its discretion. You don't need equipment, you don't need a prescription, and you don't need to excuse yourself from the moment. You can do it silently, sitting or lying down, and your partner won't notice. It's the opposite of the awkward pill-taking ritual or fumbling with a device. It's just you, your breath, and a subtle contraction that instantly resets your confidence. Another advantage is long-term strengthening. While this trick works immediately, practicing it regularly builds muscle tone in your pelvic floor, just like training your core in the gym. Over weeks, you may notice firmer erections, better stamina, and even improved control over ejaculation. It's not just about rescue, it's about transformation. Your performance can steadily improve the more you engage these muscles with deliberate breathing. Many men make mistakes when first trying. Some squeeze too hard, tensing their stomach or buttocks instead of isolating the pelvic floor. Others breathe too quickly, which cancels out the nitric oxide benefits. The secret is control, not force. Gentle, precise squeezes paired with calm, slow breathing give the best results. It may take a little practice, but once you feel it, you'll know you've hit the right spot. Of course, no method works in isolation. Lifestyle plays a role too. Cardiovascular health, weight management, and stress reduction all support stronger erections. But what makes this 1-minute trick special is that it bypasses long-term waiting. You can use it tonight. If you're consistent, it doubles as both a short-term reset and a long-term investment in your sexual health. Now, some men ask what to do if the trick doesn't work, even after trying it correctly. That's an important signal. If you experience persistent erectile problems, it may point to underlying conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or cardiovascular disease. In that case, the trick can help temporarily, but you need to address the bigger picture with your doctor. Erections are often the first warning sign of deeper health issues. For those who want to amplify results, I often recommend natural boosters that support the same mechanisms. Two stand out: one that naturally enhances nitric oxide production, and another that improves stamina and circulation. These aren't magic pills, but they complement the breathe and squeeze method beautifully, making it even more reliable. So here's the bottom line. You don't have to rely on pills, pumps, or gimmicks to perform when it matters. Your body already has the tools to reset an erection instantly. With just one breath and one squeeze, you can switch from panic to performance in under a minute. Practice it tonight, feel the difference, and take back control of your confidence. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more men's health strategies that actually work.